In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in Canva. If you're working on a design and an image is facing the wrong direction, it can throw off the whole layout. This is especially common when you're creating social media graphics, presentations, or marketing visuals and need everything to flow neatly on the page. The good news is that Canva makes flipping an image very quick, and you don't need any advanced design experience to do it properly. To begin, open Canva and go to the project you want to edit. From your homepage, look through your recent designs and open the one you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, find the photo, logo, or graphic that needs to be flipped. Click on that image once so Canva selects it. You'll know it's selected when you see the border appear around it. This is important because Canva only shows the image tools when the correct element is highlighted. Next, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the editor. With your image selected, look for the option labeled Flip. It's usually near other tools like Crop and Edit Photo. Click on Flip to open the available mirroring options. This is the tool you want to use instead of manually rotating the image because rotation changes the angle while flipping changes the direction cleanly. If you want the image to face the opposite side from left to right, click Flip Horizontal. This is useful when you want a person, object, or design element to point toward text or balance the composition better. As soon as you click it, Canva mirrors the image instantly without reducing the image quality. If you want to turn the image upside down instead, open the same flip menu and choose Flip Vertical. This can be helpful for certain creative effects, especially if you're building a reflection beneath an object or image. If you're trying to create that reflected look, duplicate the original image first, then flip the copy vertically and place it underneath the original. After that, lower the opacity slightly so the effect looks more natural and polished. Once your image is flipped, take a moment to check the alignment. Drag the image into place and watch for Canva's smart guidelines, which help you line things up evenly with the rest of your design. This makes the final layout look much cleaner and more professional. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Share, then select Download. Choose PNG if the design is for digital use or PDF print if you're preparing it for printing. Then click Download to save your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.